Hey guys, so wanted to go over the actual Arizona Regulator. Apologize for the clickbait last time that my wife was in the video, which I enjoy having her in there. But I know that you guys were probably expecting and wanting a little more. So I apologize, and we're going to clear that up today. All right, well, ordered a Arizona Regulator, and when you get your box back, you will get the envelope that you sent, as well as the information you filled out in order to order it. Of course, your box. We'll get all of that out of the way. And then you're going to get the actual box of goodies. So, let's see if we can show you guys a little bit of that. Now, as you can read, of course, it says you can go there for your instructions. It's America's trigger. Yeah, man. This is, I don't know, do not modify, which we're not going to need to do that. However, on this portion here, I don't know if you can read that good and clear, but I'll read it for you real quick for those that may be having difficulty. So it says it requires a Mil-spec AR, which I'm going to go over a couple things real quick about that. A Mil-spec FA bolt carrier group, a Mil-spec buffer, and it goes over the two different buffer weights for the two different guns, the 5.56, which I'm assuming 300 blackout would be the same at 5 ounce, and then 9mm you'll want a 10 ounce. Buffer weights must rattle. So the tungsten ones that I have, that I've mentioned from Spike's Tactical, they do not rattle. Obviously that tungsten moves around. So it comes nicely packaged in this little box. And then I've always called this Cosmoline paper. I don't really know what it is. But it's got that old smell to it. Smells good. But anyway, most people probably think it's nasty. But anyway, I know that's dark, so let me lay that down. Let's see if you can. There we go. But it's just your normal run-of-the-mill stuff. You've got your two triggers, your selector, your two pins, your hammer, your trigger shoe disconnector. Listen to this. If it sounds gritty, it is gritty. These have some type of paint on them. You're not buying Geisley, but it does work. This is the little magic portion, and that's all you get. $288. If you think that the box triggers are too expensive at $500 and you want something less expensive, I would certainly say you could use this. Obviously there are many other options out there even less expensive. Just stop complaining about this type of equipment / parts when the items that the NFA is trying to hold close to the chest are tens of thousands of dollars. So quit your complaining. Go buy you a few of these. Give them out as gifts. They're fantastic little pieces of kit. Now, they're repair. So, you when it talks about a Mil-spec AR, that's very true. So, my PWS, which the light in here is terrible, I'm sorry. But my PWS gun, this stuff doesn't work at all. So you're going to need just basic stuff, which is good. You know, you don't want to have to buy a $3,000 or $5,000 Gucci gun in order to get this thing in there. You can pick up a PSA for less than $500 and you know, spend the rest in ammo, because when you have something like this, that's what's going to happen. So the repair on this portion, from my understanding, these parts can be used without this portion. What good is that? That's not why we buy them. But there's a little portion right here, that little divot, or that little milled out spot, that mimics where this sits. And I mean, it just sits in there nice and flush, just like so. I don't know what's happening. I put my hand behind it and it gets worse, lighting wise. But anyway, that's it. It just sits in there, and then you know, you keep it upside down and you close your lower and it's repaired. So it's a very easy fix to repair the Arizona Regulator. It's super simple. Anybody that's got $288 can repair their Arizona Regulator. Now, if you have any experience with this gentleman, I guess his name is JD, he may seem a little rude, and I don't see that he was rude. He's just very cautious in what and how he says things, and I can understand. These folks are taking great risks to themselves to manufacture good quality American-made product that we can use and enjoy. And we should be able to use and enjoy it. I don't care what the alphabet police say. But no one's coming to save you. If they show up at your door, yes, you're going away and your neighbor's not going to stop them, nor your buddies down the street or across town or across the state. You're on your own. In any case, these right now are illegal, and so go buy several of them, many of them. And again, that portion there, I would guess, is the only portion that needs repaired that you could, I don't know, toss in the trash. Look at there. Or there's another. Better toss it in the trash. I missed the trash can. Anyway, hope you guys have a good evening. And thanks for watching, sticking around. Hope that helps somebody with your Arizona Regulator repair. And if so, if you got yours repaired, leave me a thumbs up. Thumbs up. There we go. 2 thumbs. How about that? All right.